Google Calendar.
Working with calendar. Calendaring software provides you an electronic version of a calendar. Most email applications include support for working with calendar. Some calendar programs are as follows: Apple Calendar, Google Calendar, Microsoft Outlook Calendar, My Study Life, Cozy. Set up a new calendar. You can only create new calendars from a browser and not from the Google Calendar app. Visit Google Calendar and sign in to your Google account. On the left side, above My Calendars, click Add Other Calendars, New Calendar. Add a name and description for your calendar. Click Create Calendar. If you want to share your calendar, then select Share with specific people. Change your calendar's color. On the left side of the page, find your calendar, click Options, pick the color, click Add Custom Color. Importing your calendar. If you have been using a different calendar application such as Outlook or Apple Calendar, you will need to import your data to Google Calendar. Open your calendar on your computer. In your source calendar, click on Export function. Choose the appropriate format. In Google Calendar on your computer, click the settings icon at the top right. Under Import and Export, choose Import. Schedule an appointment. Visit the link for the appointment page. You may get this in an email or in a calendar that has been shared with you. Categorize an appointment. By using My Calendar function, a logical categorizing system can be created. Using a Google Calendar to track work activities might include staff meeting, accounting meeting, projects due, teleconferences, and business trips. Add your categories through the My Calendars function. Click the plus sign in Other Calendars. Click Create New Calendar option. Enter the category. Click the Create Calendar button to save the category. Enter your events into the appropriate dates. Review your events for accuracy and edit the information as necessary and save all changes. Share a calendar. Click the calendar you want to share. Click Settings and Sharing. There are two options for access permissions. The first is to make your calendar available to the public or to share your calendar with specific people. Print a calendar. In the top right, click Day, Week, Month, Year, Schedule or 4 days to choose which date range to print. Click Print under Settings. On the print preview page, you can change details like font size and color settings. Click Print. Creating a meeting request. On your computer, open Google Calendar. On the left, click Search for People. Choose the person you want to meet with. Click Create. Add title and other details. Click Suggested Times to see when they can attend. Respond to a meeting request. In the calendar grid, click the event. In the dialog box, select your response. Click More Details. Select your response. Type your note and click Send. Create and edit a task. Create a task. You can create a task in any of the following way. Use the side panel. Add a task from an email. Add a task from your calendar. Copy your reminders into tasks. Add a task. Go to Calendar. Click Tasks. Click Add a task. Give it a suitable name. Select date and time for the task. Click OK. Change a task. Go to Calendar. Click Tasks. Click Edit. Change the task info. Create and edit a note. In Google Calendar, click the event in your calendar grid. Click on the pencil icon for edit. You will see an option to send a note. To create a note, click Add Note or Guests. Click Save.